Did you know that some catfish can grow over 1 meter long and weigh dozens of kilograms? From simple ponds, catfish has become one of the most widely farmed fish species in the world. This remarkable fish is a symbol of the perfect combination between natural biology and modern farming technology, feeding millions of people every year. But what's behind this incredible success story? Let's dive in. Part 1. Global context. In Europe, countries like the Netherlands and Germany are pioneering catfish farming using RAS systems, recirculating aquaculture systems, where every single drop of water is filtered clean and reused. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about revolutionizing how we think about fish farming. The Netherlands alone produces 12,000 to 15,000 tons per year using these advanced systems. Inside these facilities, the living environment is optimized to perfection. Temperature is controlled within half a degree. Oxygen levels are constantly monitored and adjusted, and pH balance is maintained precisely. The result? Zero environmental pollution and maximum fish health. These closed-loop systems represent the future of sustainable aquaculture, proving that we can produce massive amounts of protein without harming our planet. How do these fish grow so fast in such controlled environments? Part 2. Life cycle and growth. The journey begins in hatchery tanks, where eggs are carefully incubated. Within days, tiny larvae emerge and begin their remarkable transformation. In just 6 to 8 months, catfish can reach 1.2 to 1.5 kilograms, the perfect weight for export markets. This incredible growth rate is made possible by some fascinating biology. The feed conversion ratio is an impressive 1.2 to 1, meaning just 1.2 kilograms of feed produces 1 kilogram of fish meat. That's significantly better than most other fish species, and even rivals chicken production. Catfish also have a remarkably high survival rate, and can thrive in still water with relatively low oxygen levels, making them ideal for intensive farming operations. They're incredibly resilient and adaptable, which is exactly why farmers love working with them. But feeding thousands of these hungry fish efficiently is a whole different challenge. Part 3. Feeding technology. Large-scale farms no longer rely on manual feeding. Instead, they use automated vehicles equipped with sensors and GPS positioning to distribute feed precisely across different zones of the pond or tank. These sophisticated feeding trucks move along programmed routes, ensuring every area receives the exact amount of feed needed. The benefits are remarkable and measurable. Labor costs drop significantly because one operator can manage what used to require dozens of workers. Fish growth becomes more uniform because competition for food is eliminated. Every fish gets equal access to nutrition. Water pollution decreases substantially thanks to minimal feed waste, as the system calculates precisely how much feed is needed and prevents overfeeding. Sensors even monitor fish feeding behavior in real time, adjusting delivery rates based on actual consumption. This level of precision was unimaginable just a decade ago, and it's transforming the economics of catfish farming. But when these fish reach harvest size, the real challenge begins. Part 4. Harvest. When harvest season arrives, timing is everything. Operations typically begin in the early morning or late afternoon, when temperatures are cooler. This isn't just tradition. Cooler temperatures keep the fish calmer, reducing stress hormones that could affect meat quality. Large hydraulic cranes equipped with specially designed nets lift tons of catfish from the water. These nets are engineered with optimal mesh sizes to prevent injury to the fish's delicate skin and flesh. The cranes lift slowly and steadily, avoiding any sudden movements that could cause bruising or damage. It's a carefully choreographed operation where power meets precision. Immediately after harvest, the fish are transferred into oxygenated holding tanks or specialized transport trucks, equipped with cooling systems and circulating water. This rapid transfer is critical because every minute counts in preserving quality. The trucks then rush the live fish to processing facilities, where the real transformation begins. Part 5. Processing plant. Inside the processing plant, speed and precision are everything. This is where raw fish becomes the pristine white fillets that consumers around the world recognize and love. The first step uses an electric stunning system, which is the most humane method available. A carefully calibrated electrical current renders the fish unconscious instantly, ensuring no pain or suffering. Then the automated processing lines take over, Conveyor belts move the fish through multiple stations where machines and skilled workers perform their specialized tasks. Automated systems can process thousands of fish every single hour, far exceeding what manual processing could ever achieve. Robotic gutting machines remove internal organs with surgical precision. Filleting machines cut along the natural contours of each fish, maximizing yield while maintaining perfect aesthetics. But technology doesn't replace human expertise entirely. Experienced workers inspect every fillet, removing the tiniest bones that machines might miss, because European and American consumers demand 100% boneless products. After inspection, the fillets go through rapid freezing systems and are packaged for cold storage. They're frozen quickly in extremely low temperatures to preserve freshness, then sealed in vacuum packaging ready for export to Europe and beyond. From live fish to frozen fillet takes just hours, and every second is optimized for quality. Part 6. Culinary value. From ponds in the Delta or European farms, catfish has reached the world, appearing in restaurants from New Orleans to Bangkok. This remarkable journey spans continents and cultures. In American Southern cuisine, catfish is coated in seasoned cornmeal and deep-fried until golden and crispy, served alongside coleslaw and hush puppies. It's comfort food at its finest, crispy outside, tender, and sweet inside. In Vietnam, catfish takes on completely different flavors. Vietnamese ca co features catfish braised with coconut water, caramelized sugar, fish sauce, and chilies, creating a rich, savory dish that pairs perfectly with steamed rice. In European restaurants, chefs prefer elegant simplicity. Grilled catfish with herb butter, lemon, and white wine, allowing the fish's natural delicate flavor to shine through. The beauty of catfish is its versatility. Its firm texture holds up to any cooking method, and its mild, slightly sweet flavor acts as a perfect canvas for whatever seasonings or sauces you choose. This humble fish carries within it a journey of technology, labor, and creativity, a symbol of the sustainable future of aquaculture. Floating from the small ripples in ponds to shipments crossing continents, the story of catfish is proof of how humans are writing a new chapter for the global seafood industry. What started in simple earthen ponds has evolved into a sophisticated, technology-driven industry that feeds millions while protecting our environment. The journey of catfish, from tiny eggs to dinner plates thousands of miles away, represents more than just efficient food production. It's a testament to human ingenuity, sustainable practices, and the endless possibilities when we combine traditional knowledge with cutting-edge technology. This is the future of aquaculture, and catfish is leading the way.